Hi everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Len and Anthony Life in Philippines. So it's been long time na hindi kami nakapag-vlog. So good morning guys. My family are here in Anda. And also my siblings. And that's my brother-in-law. He just came to house yesterday with my sister, and then they will stay here for 2 days, and then after that they're going to Talibon with my family. But they want to stay here for 2 days. We want to go snorkeling, eating, drinking. Yeah, it's nice to be home. So this is our property, and guys, everything is brown because no rain. Look at the sky, it's so blue sky. Parang ang lapit-lapit lang ng ano guys, ng langit. Hindi pala, ang layo-layo. So blue.
Ang kalang gongging gongging gong gongging ging goreng ging gong ging ging. Pag-hi vlog mo ikaw na. Na. Hi vlog. Nandito po kami sa Anda, yung buong pamilya ng Umbayan at sumama kami kasi kuyugan kami sa lahat. Ito po yung among leader. Ito po among leader, ang aming kinagopahang Mama Ellen. Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. Maragas lagi. I'm never gonna hurt you. I know I'm gonna learn to.
And then now my family is getting ready. But they want to have breakfast first before they will leave. Yun, my sister's husband still sleeping. So, ano muna. Wala mo ng video sa kanya, guys. Then, yeah. Getting ready. They had too much fun. They went to the beach also. They went snorkeling. Went to the cave.
Butang sa trate ito. Butang sa trate. Orange na trate.
So nice to be in the Philippines.
Okay na. Tuig na lang po pila ka.
Lumalaki na talaga yung mga puno. Yeah, guys. Trees got big. And it just painted. Kaya yun ang ganda-ganda tingnan ng ano, mga ano ba yan? Doors. Ang mahal na ng ano guys ng labor ngayon sa pintura. Guy 700 per day na. Before it's only 500, now it's 700. Anyway, everything's got expensive right now.
Pulangkoy.
My dad is cooking and girls are waiting for the food. That's us guys. My dad always the one who's cooking.
Hey.